so that they're the opposite. What does appropriate mean? What does appropriate mean? When I think of appropriate, I think of correct or right. So in this blank, we're going to write in what appropriate means. The one that fits. So we got to look at this here. I need to do the problem that's going to work easiest. Whew. Which one am I going to eliminate that's the easiest? I can eliminate my x's or my y's. Well, if I multiply my negatives, negative 10 on both sides of the problem, then I will have negative 100, positive 100, then I will have 10y, and then I will have, hold on, negative 10 will give me a 10y? Oh, I did something wrong. Oh, I know what I did wrong. Okay, so I'm going to use a negative 10. So negative 10 times 10 is going to give me 100. So I'm going to have 100x. Negative times a positive is going to give me, a negative y. So I'm going to have a negative 10y. And then, what will I have in the end? Oh man, 18 times 10. I have 180. Oh, but that's not 18, that's negative. So it's going to be positive 180. But my y still won't cancel out. Oh, I'm messing up here. My y still won't cancel out. What do I need to do?
Sometimes you have to multiply both of them. So if one doesn't, so what's easiest to get rid of now? X's, right? So I would multiply, if I want to end up, you want to end up with opposite signs. So if I have a negative 20 here, what do I multiply negative 10 by to get a positive 20?
2.
Negative 2. You need a negative 2 times a negative 10 to get a positive 20. So you would multiply the whole second equation by a negative 2. And then your x's will cancel.
Okay. See, even I mess up. All right, so you multiply the whole problem by a negative 2 so that the x's cancel out. So this step, what you do in step 2 is you rewrite this problem here. And this time, we're going to do this. Put this here in parentheses. We're going to write negative 2 here because we're multiplying. Then we're going to go ahead and multiply across. Now we have a positive 20x, a negative 2y, and we have a negative 36. That's correct. That's correct. Negative 36. Dang, I finally got it right.
Wait. Why is it negative? I thought you were multiplying by negative 2.
Oh, what are you saying?
I'm saying negative times a negative is a positive. Yeah, that's better.
So you say what? Say that again?
I said a negative times a negative is a positive.
There's a reason I'm saying this, and I'm doing this. Because somebody kept messing up with their operations. And one small operation mess up like that can throw your whole problem off. So be careful. There's an easy way. I used to remember it. I'm running out of board space, but that's my face. Whenever I would use, I would use 2 of them, I would cover those 2 up. So in this case, I use a what? What type of operations did I use? I used a what? Everybody, I used a what?
Negative.
Negative. And I used a what?
Negative.
So if I cover that up, what do I have left?
Positive.
See that? Now, what if this was a positive, right? So I use a negative and a positive. I cover those two up. What I have left? Everybody, what I have left?
Negative.
Negative. It's just a little quick. My paper. Remember, we're using different colors so we can create steps that jump out at us. When you watch a commercial, if it's all the same color, you don't remember it. But when there's a bunch of things jumping out at you, you remember it. Okay, everybody have step 2 down. Give me a thumbs above your head to show me you have step 2. Thumbs above your head. Good, everybody has it, so we can move on to step 3. I'm going to erase the board now. Everybody should be prepared to write. So, step 2 said if necessary, we change one of the coefficients. I'm also going to erase this, because we now have a new problem to work with. And I'm going to rewrite the new one right up under that one. So, step 3. Step 3 goes on to say, add the expression to eliminate a variable. So, step 3 is my favorite one. It's really easy. Do the math and eliminate the variable. So we go ahead and put our line of addition down. Then the next thing we do is we do the math. Whoa, hold on. If I have 20 on this side, you take away 20 from me. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna have 0, so they cancel out. I got 9 y's and take away 2 y's, so I'm gonna have 7 y's left over. Whew. Then I gotta add 22 and 36. Oh, just add 8, 58. Yes, ma'am.
Are you still going to try to get the y by itself?
Yes, we are. I like that you're thinking ahead. We're still getting the y by itself. So we did the math. We just added everything up. When we add everything up, you add a positive and a negative of the same number together, they eliminate. So we have no more x's. You add a positive and a negative, we look at the number with the bigger sign, oh, we know our answer is going to be positive. Then you just subtract the difference. Then you add the ends up. I'm correct so far, right, Ms. S?
Yeah.
So 7y goes into 58. How many times? That's the question. That would be a fraction. So y would equal what? 58 over 7. But that would also be step 4. Step 4 would be do the math. So we're going to go ahead and skip on down a step. Because Whitney saw it hit. Step 4, do the math. This time, it's not eliminate the variable. But isolate the variable using the inverse operation. So I'm gonna erase all of this because you have this down for step, hold up, let me get a check. You have all of this down for step 3. Thumbs on top of your head, you have it down? Eyes up here, you're looking at me, so I know that you know. Everybody, eyes up here. I got 80%. Missing 2 eyes. Missing 1 eye, okay, good. So everybody has this. We're gonna erase this now. You go ahead and write step 4, so I can rewrite the math problem and have a little bit more room for step 4.